Check the mic and make sure it sounds right.
Hey, this is where I live at CUHK. This is where I've been living since I came back to Hong Kong. Come on in. So this is where I live on the campus, and here in Hong Kong I actually pay 0 USD a month during term time because it's covered by my scholarships, but I do pay around 10 USD a day during summer term, which is right now. I think it's a pretty decent place for the price if you live in Hong Kong, especially. It's a 1 room, 2 beds, 2 study tables, 2 wardrobe room, dorm room, and I'll show you around what I have and how I make use of the space here. Okay, so let's start off with the study table, because it's the most important thing that we students can have in our rooms, because the whole purpose of coming to the university is to study, right? Anyways, it's a really decent size study table. So if you want to compare, this is my hand. You can put your laptop here, you can put your iPad, you can put your headphones, you can put your tripods, you can put the mirror, you can put a plant here. And I also have 2 cups, one for coffee and one for water. This is the little charging thing for my camera batteries. And there's a drawer where you can put whatever you want. I have some student press magazine and the tablet that I use to teach. Yep, so that's the study table. And we also have a little light here where you can open at night if you don't want to disturb your roommate while studying at night, like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., if you're that kind of person. And we also have a board here where you can pin stuff to remember what to do during the day, whatever you want to pin. Because I am a struggling minimalist, I don't put anything here. Right in front of the study table is my little beverage center, and this is a Nespresso coffee machine that I bought about a month and a half ago, so I can make my morning espresso shots, close to espresso shots. And this is where I put a little box for my Nespresso capsules and some tea boxes for my afternoon tea. And this here is the mini fridge that we have in all of the rooms here, which we are supposed to share with our roommates when we have one. And yeah, I have no problem sharing at all, because I'll show you the size. You didn't think I was serious, right? It's pathetic. You can put like 2 cartons of eggs and 3 cartons of milk and maybe 5 bananas. It's better than nothing, at least, and I don't even really use it, to be honest, so it's okay. And this is actually the site for my roommate when I have one, supposedly coming semester. And I don't usually put anything here. As you can see, I have a tripod and like a box of masks. That's it. I don't really use it because I don't want to make a habit of using this site, so that my life will just become harder when I have a roommate. Moving swiftly on, this is the bed that we have in the rooms. It's a standard Hong Kong single bed size. It's actually slightly smaller than what we have in our country, but I think it's okay. This is a good size if you're sleeping alone. Under the bed, we have a little compartment here. I put my dry food in this, such as my oatmeal, my muesli, instant noodles, and whatnot. I put my dry food here. Some of my friends, when they actually came into my room, they were like, "Why are you putting your food here?" Because they usually put their shoes here. But I don't really mind. I can put my shoes like under the bed and everywhere else. But I felt like I need a dedicated space for my food. And I actually clean, of course, this place before I put my food, so it's okay, right? coming closer, we have a laundry basket here, and we have some clothes that are hanging here to wear whenever I want to wear, because I don't feel like they're ready to be washed and I want to wear them again. I think they're not that dirty to be washed yet, so I hang them here. We have Listerine, and I hang my caps here. I really love caps. If you have been watching my videos, you'll know that in almost all the videos I wear caps. These are the wardrobes. Nothing really much to see, but this is how I organize my wardrobe. So this is the thing that I got from IKEA, where I can organize my clothes to shirts, t-shirts, long pants, short pants, sport shirts, things like that. And here I put my shorts, and here above that I hang my jackets and sweaters. These are my hoodies and sweaters. That's pretty much it. Oh, under the wardrobe is where I put my socks, and you saw it. And of course, this little thing is very important. People who come into my room always complain, why is everything else in gray and black color and white color, and why is this neon green? Because I got this shower caddy for free. Showing you around again. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the little room tour, and I hope that this is the place where you want to come and stay at if you are going to be coming to CHK or study in Hong Kong, because I have seen most of the Hong Kong dorm rooms are just like this. You have to have a roommate. They do have single rooms, but you rarely get them. Yeah, and this is Morningside, of course, because I'm from Morningside College. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next video. Bye bye.